If you're a homeowner in League City, you've likely noticed how quickly energy bills can rise, especially during hot Gulf Coast summers and cooler winter nights. One of the most effective ways to boost your home's energy efficiency and lower your monthly utility costs is by upgrading to new, high-performance windows. Modern window technology has come a long way, and today's replacement windows offer measurable improvements in insulation, comfort, and long-term savings. Here's how new windows can dramatically improve energy savings in League City homes. Superior insulation that reduces heat transfer. Older windows often have worn frames, thin glass, and outdated construction that allow heat to move easily in and out of your home. In League City, where temperatures can soar, this means your air conditioning system is forced to work harder to keep indoor spaces cool. New windows are engineered with advanced insulation features such as double or triple pane glass, argon gas fills, and tightly sealed frames. These upgrades significantly reduce heat transfer, helping your home maintain a steady indoor temperature. The less your HVAC system has to run, the more energy and money you save over time. Low-E glass helps block heat and UV rays. One of the biggest innovations in modern windows is low-E, low emissivity, glass. This nearly invisible coating on the surface of the glass reflects heat away from your home in the summer and keeps warmth inside during the winter. For League City residents, low-E windows are especially beneficial because they help cut down on solar heat gain, which is a major contributor to high cooling costs. Low-E glass also filters out harmful UV rays. These rays can fade furniture, flooring, and drapes, so having protected interiors means fewer replacements and less material waste, another long-term savings advantage. Improved weather seals prevent costly air leaks. Many homeowners underestimate how much air can slip through tiny gaps around older windows. Over time, window frames can loosen, caulking can deteriorate, and seals can break down. These air leaks make indoor temperatures inconsistent and force your heating and cooling system to cycle more frequently. New energy-efficient windows come with enhanced weather stripping and precision-manufactured frames designed to minimize air infiltration. With tighter seals, your home stays more comfortable and your HVAC system operates more efficiently. In a climate like League Cities, where humidity and rapid temperature swings are common, proper sealing makes a noticeable difference on utility bills. Reduced HVAC strain and lower long-term costs. When your windows allow less heat to enter or escape, your HVAC system doesn't have to work overtime. Reducing this strain means fewer breakdowns, longer system lifespan, and lower maintenance costs. For many homeowners, the savings on HVAC repairs and energy bills are significant enough that new windows pay for themselves over time. Enhanced comfort. All year long energy savings aren't just about dollars, they're also about comfort. With new windows, rooms that used to feel too hot in the summer or too chilly in the winter become more evenly conditioned. You'll notice fewer drafts, more consistent temperatures, and a more enjoyable living environment throughout every season. Boosting home value and curb appeal. Energy-efficient upgrades like new windows can also increase your home's value. Buyers in League City appreciate homes that offer lower energy costs and modern features. Stylish frames, crisp glass, and upgraded designs also enhance curb appeal, making your home look refreshed and well-maintained. A smart investment for League City homeowners. If you've been experiencing rising energy bills, uneven indoor temperatures, or aging windows that no longer perform like they should, now is a great time to consider an upgrade. New windows offer a combination of energy savings, comfort, and long-term value that's hard to beat, especially in a climate like League Cities. Investing in modern replacement windows isn't just a home improvement decision, it's a smart financial move that delivers immediate comfort and long-lasting savings.